What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you the best Motovlog setup, I think. Very simple, very cheap, all starting from just a helmet. I know, it's dirty, all of my equipment's dirty, all of my equipment's wore out, it's junk. I put it to use, alright? It's equipment, okay? It works, that's what matters. So don't judge me too hard on this. First, you're going to want a way to mount your GoPro. There are a bunch of different ways to do this. I choose a strap that just straps onto the front of your chin. It's easy to remove if you want just your helmet. You don't have a sticky mount that you have to remove and buy a new one every time you take it off. So you can take everything off your helmet with ease. Get your mount. People like to mount on top of their head for some reason. I like it to be on the chin. The chin is the best place to put it because it's right in front of your face. People see what you see. So I'm going to show you my mount. It's probably the most destroyed piece of equipment I have, right? This. Yeah, look at the back of it. It's been put to use. It's just the way dirt bike helmets are made. It's meant for a street bike helmet. It just tears it up. Well, this mount goes on to my chin and I just strap it through. It's also kind of damaging my helmet over time, but it's been on there for like 4 years. It's been 4 years now. And this will be the very first part of the setup. You can get a pretty decent one for about 30 bucks. It's not too bad of a price. If you just want to record yourself riding, you don't need any other equipment, other than your GoPro, of course. Fortunately, it's not hard to find a mount because action cameras and GoPros, all the mounts are universal. They use the same type of stuff to mount to. It just locks on and you use a little screw that comes with your camera. And there you have it. It's mounted onto the front. Of course, this is a clip mount. Your GoPro should come with a clip. It just kind of slides onto the front. I don't want to take it off because I have Velcro on the bottom. It's kind of in the way. The Velcro I put on there, I'll show you why I put it on there here in a minute. Of course, this is the cage to my Gopro Hero 7 Black. Where is my GoPro? So this is my Gopro Hero 7. Took the waterproof door off, it just kind of clips off. I'll tell you why I did that here in a second too. But you're just going to take your cage here. It just slides on. You take the screw and you tighten it down until it doesn't want to move around. If you want to talk in your videos, you're going to need a microphone. Well, I ordered a really cheap $20 microphone off of Amazon. If it was even that much, I don't know. A GoPro official accessory, the microphone adapter. It plugs into the charger port of your GoPro. Works on the GoPro Hero 5 and up. I also have a Velcro strip on the back of that. Now, you kind of have an idea of why there's Velcro on this. You can take this up. As you can see, I taped it in a circular form right here. That way I could pull up the cushion inside of my helmet here. See that? There's a little button it snaps on with. I just slide that up in there. And I clip the helmet over it. And that way it holds my microphone inside the helmet without all that excess of cord. So as you can see, when it's snapped in, it's just kind of dangling here. You know, you got one end that's going to go into the adapter. Plug it in, and the other end I'm just going to clip inside on my strap. This is the actual microphone itself. That way it's kind of in front of my mouth. It's got a clip on it, like it's a type of clip you would put on your shirt. And this is how my setup works. I leave it on my helmet at all times, and whenever I want to go and ride, I take my GoPro, I put it inside of its cage. Clip it up in there, plug this into the charger port, and it's ready to go ride. It'll record everything I say. If you quick record, I don't think the microphone cuts on. You have to turn the GoPro on and then hit record. It can hear everything I say as long as the microphone is out of the wind, inside the helmet, in front of my mouth. You can watch my other videos, you can see exactly how well it works. $50, $20, $30, it's about $100 for everything except for the GoPro. And this is my motovlogging setup. Hope that was helpful to you all. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll try to get to them as quick as I can. And I'll see you all in another video here before too long.